Welcome back, man, to alphamantraining.com. We crashed a perfume in the morning and now we are driving to buy that perfume. Also, we are going to check same delay girls. As you see, we're wearing like white shoes, white sneakers, jean shorts, t-shirt with a US flag. So this is very relaxed style, simple with here, and we are not wearing glasses because we will make eye contact with a girl and she will like that. So if we will see same delay girl, we definitely will talk to her and will try to pull her. But as it is 32 degrees Celsius, it's very hot, so women, girls, they really don't like what you do. It's so very hot, so we'll continue this.